Let's look at the naming of triangle because it will help us with the derivation of the formula. Angle A is named with big letter and the opposite side is small letter a. Same is angle B, big letter, small side, B facing the angle. So it's C. Now, you can see that the angles are named as capital letters and side opposite each angle is named with the same letter but a small letter. Now to derive the formula, let's focus on right angle triangle AOC, where CO is the height. H here is height, it's not hypotenuse. CO is the height. In AOC, let's work out sine A, which is the opposite over the hypotenuse, H over B. We want to make H the subject by multiplying through by B. So at the end, B will multiply sine A. H is B times sine A. So let's call it first equation. Then let's focus on right angle triangle COB. And let's work out what will be sine B. Sine B, opposite, which is the height, over the hypotenuse, which is A. Make H the subject by multiplying through by A. If you multiply through by A cancels out this A, and A multiplies sine B. Equation 1 and 2 both have H. H is common, so equating equation 1 and 2, we can equate this section to this section. And regrouping A's and B's, we divide through by sine A to cancel the sine A. We divide through by sine B to cancel the sine B. So we end up having A over sine A equals B over sine B. And in general form, this is the relationship for sine rule to work out missing sides. So this is the derivation of the formula. But how do we use it to work out missing sides? And when do we know when to use it? Sine rule, when is it used? When two angles and a side are given, you can find the missing sides using sine rule. So when you have two angles and a side is given, you can work out the missing side using sine rule. And you only need two of these ratios. You don't need A, B, C. You just need two to help you do the working out. And you know, not to get confused, it's important that despite the labeling of the triangle, relabel the corners and the sides. So we do that by labeling the missing side, the side that we are looking for, a small a, and the opposite corresponding angle, big A. Then we name the other known side, small b, and the opposite corresponding angle, B. I will take you through example for you to understand what I mean by this section.